This is the picture-in-picture function. Now, I know a lot of people, including myself, have struggled to get it working, and especially in YouTube. I've not managed to get it working in the YouTube app yet, but you can get it working in YouTube if you use YouTube via your browser and you go to YouTube on the internet. And here I've got a video ready to show you how it works. So when you find a video in YouTube via your browser, you just open the video to full size like that, and then tap on the video, and then tap on this icon here, and it gets into picture-in-picture mode. So you can move it around, you can shrink it, you can park it, either side, bring it out, and also you can come out of your browser and you can still watch the video while you do other things. And go to my today page, like here. I could probably go and look at read a news article while still keeping this video alive like that. So it's a really great feature. And if you want to go back to where you were, you tap again, tap on that icon, it's at the right now, and then we're back, and we should be back, if I close that, we're back on the browser where the YouTube website. So that's a really great feature. And if you want to discover more cool features in iOS 14, then please check out my hidden features video here. And if you like this video, please thumbs it up, and please subscribe for a lot more tech reviews to come. Thanks for watching.